The client wanted me to make this top bigger, so I decided if I put string and tassels here and at the neckline, it would actually look like it was supposed to be like that. As you can see, I didn't want to spoil the aesthetics of the top, and you can see it's a very heavily jeweled item, and the client wanted me to go in at the sides and bust open the sides, but I felt it would ruin the top. I made the tassels out of yellow diamonds because I thought it would pop, and every single tassel has been hand cut. I made the tassel using yellow diamonds for the fringe, a red bead and a gold crown with golden string. I stripped off all the closures and hooks as the string has to be hand sewn into place. Because of the diamonds and beads, you cannot use a machine. It would damage the fabric.